What's up, guys? All right, so we're gonna check out and kind of make a quick video. I want to do more of these where there's some products that you guys just don't get to see and pictures don't do it justice. So Cognito just came out with a splash guard, and we're a dealer for Cognito and everything, but I've never really heard of anything about this till now, and I think it's a cool little touch, especially if you got like a lift kit or something like that. That plastic splash guard just looks awful, and it's all wavy, and I don't like it. So nice, cheap, easy upgrade. Comes with 4 new screws on there. Those are a 6mm head. Got the tool laid out already for it. I'm gonna peel some of this back and stick it on, but also wanted to show you guys too the compatibility. I was like, it doesn't show anywhere on the website if this will work with a 4-inch lift, so that's why I'm grabbing it and showing you guys. There's enough room to slide it in there where the 4-inch lift is at, and then put those screws in. But of course, if you have no lift kit, just a leveling kit or a bone stock truck, this is gonna work. So really, no matter what modifications you have from Cognito, it should work for you. Obviously, it's best to double check and make sure you have access to the holes, or just be able to take the plastic one off. If you can take that plastic one off, 99% chance you can put that one right back on. So anyways, let's get to it. Well, that was probably the easiest install. Yeah, it was literally just putting these 4 screws. We got another 1, 2. We got this little bar that's just hanging out there until we put the diff cover back on. But that's what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. Nice clean finish. Yeah, nothing else to it, guys. Just bolt it on and she's done. So, no, I made it a short one, but just wanted you guys to see that in the video. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know. The link to get them down below from us if you want to. In most cases, especially if you're outside of California, it's a little bit cheaper to buy from us too. In most cases, we don't charge sales tax. In California and a couple other states, sometimes we have to. But that's it. Catch you guys on the next one.